What is your best strategy if you are thinking about KeyBank Business Credit Card? In today's conversation, I really want to give you all the tips, the latest hacks that you can adopt right now, not yesterday, not tomorrow, to actually get approved for a KeyBank Business Credit Card and actually use the card optimally. So here is a review I really want you to pay attention to. So when we think about your KeyBank Business Credit Card, the best hacks, you need to really zero in on the specific business credit card that you want from KeyBank first, okay? And when it comes to KeyBank, KeyBank doesn't have a constellation of business credit cards. They only have three. So you have the KeyBank Business Cash Rewards Card, you have the KeyBank Business Rewards Card, and then you have the KeyBank Business Card. So only three. Nothing complicated, very simple. Let's first talk about the KeyBank Business Cash Rewards Card. So this is a card that, as the name implies, this is a cashback card that KeyBank has for you, okay? So here you will earn up to 2% cashback on purchases. This is really cool. We love this a lot because, basically you are earning big rewards for your small business. And what you have to do here is that you just have to maintain a relationship with KeyBank so that in terms of the 2% unlimited cashback, we love the flexibility here. There are no how do we call it? No rotating categories, no expiration dates, no annual fees, none of that. Okay, it's very simple, very, very straightforward. So this is really cool. And we'll love the fact that you are able to actually earn this continuously as long as your account is in good standing. So by the way, boss, welcome back to the show. It's really a pleasure to have you here. We love to have this sort of convos here and there every now and then with about KeyBank, and we love the fact that you are able to earn while actually spending money. So the thing here is that there is a welcome offer on this card, on this specific card, the KeyBank Business Cash Rewards Card. You can earn $200 cash back when you spend $1,000 in the first 60 days. In terms of introductory APR, you have 0% for 6 billing cycles on purchases and balance transfers made in the first 60 days. After that, the regular APR will go from $18.99 to $28.99. So not the lowest APR on the market, but hey, listen, it is what it is. The card has no annual fee. And so in terms of balance transfer fee, you go from $10 or 4% of each transaction. So I really want to dig a little deeper here. So when we talk about the KeyBank Business Cash Rewards credit card, you gotta first ask yourself, if you're not a card holder yet and you are interested in this card, you gotta ask yourself first, do I qualify based on the geography my business is in? Because KeyBank is geo restricted. KeyBank is not a national player. They are available in a series of states, not all of them. So you gotta ask yourself if you qualify. That's number one. Number two, do you have enough business expenses that will actually make you qualify for the 2%? For the because the 2% is just applies to all categories. That's true, but there are some categories that will actually earn you the maximum rewards real quick, right? So the thing here is that you have to maintain a business relationship with KeyBank. So you can only qualify for 2% cashback on purchases when you also have a KeyBank business checking account and a Key merchant savings account. So this is kind of important, okay? And the thing here is that you got to have that relationship, because a lot of folks say, well, I have a high FICO score and blah 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 blah. But when I apply for this card, they only give me like 5,000 or 2,000, and they're just like pissed. They're disappointed. Well, you're pissed because you don't have the relationship with KeyBank. So it all starts with establishing a relationship with KeyBank so that you have a clear idea of how much you can actually qualify for. And with this rewards cards, your cashback is unlimited. So once you qualify, there is no cap on how much you can earn, no categories for spending, and no expiration dates. Okay, and you also have a catalog of ancillary benefits. Like you have employee cards at no additional cost. You can set individual spending limits. You can view and export employee expenses and earn rewards even faster. You have $0 liability fraud protection. So you have 100% fraud protection with no liability at no cost, no cost to you. You have automatic payments, so you can easily set up auto pay so your business credit card payments are always taken care of. You have fast, easy purchases, so you can pay with the security of a chip card and the speed of contactless technology. So the whole thing, well, the point I'm trying to say is that this card, this is really great in terms of cashback rewards. You can redeem your cashback easily and securely in KeyBank Business Online. So the KeyBank is not going to send the funds to another account. You have to redeem it in a KeyBank account. So I want to talk to you now about the second card. So again, we are having a conversation about I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. What am I talking about? I'm talking about basically, I'm giving you the best KeyBank business credit card strategy, the tips and the hacks and everything. So you have a clear idea what you're getting yourself into if you want to go that route. If you want to think about a KeyBank business credit card. So the first card is the KeyBank Business Cash Rewards card. And the second card I want to acquaint you with is the KeyBank Business Rewards card. So this is the card that allows you basically to earn, redeem, grow, and this is an everyday card. Nothing complicated. You don't earn anything like you don't earn 2%. You don't earn anything. This is just your regular credit card that you can use for everything. And you can manage your expenses with the rewards card that gives you more. So with KeyBank Business Rewards, you can earn up to 10 points per dollar spent. So 10 points, so you don't earn like $200. It's not a cashback, but you earn $10. You earn 10 points rather, plus a welcome bonus points worth $200. And you can redeem your points for a statement credit, travel, merchandise, gift cards, and more. So let me quickly just explain further. So when we talk about the special welcome offer on this card, the KeyBank Business Rewards card, so you earn $200 worth of bonus points when you spend $1,000 in the first 60 days when you have a qualifying KeyBank checking account. So you got to have an existing relationship. In terms of intro APR, you have 0% for the first 6 billing cycles on purchases and on balance transfers made in the first 60 days. After that, the regular APR will apply. And the regular APR here goes from 16.99% to 26.99% variable. Okay, and so this is what it is. And in terms of the features and benefits that come with the card, you have unlimited rewards points, so you can earn 10 points per dollar, 2% cash equivalent spent on purchases including gas, travel, restaurants, and telecommunications. You can earn 5 points per dollar on all other purchases. So this is really lovely. You have a flexible reward redemption, so you can sign on to KeyBank Business Online to redeem your points for statement credits, travel, merchandise, gift cards, charity, and more. And there are no caps on rewards, so this is really wonderful. There's no limits to the amount of rewards you can earn. And I want to really go a little further here when it comes to this particular card. The thing here is that you can really, so the card actually calls for the same strategy that I just spoke to you about. You got to have an existing relationship with KeyBank. Obviously, you have the same benefits. So employee cards at no cost, $0 liability fraud protection, automatic payments, secure online business banking. You get fast, easy purchases, and all the benefits of MasterCard. So this is really good. And but in terms of the redemption of the points, you can redeem your rewards points easily and securely in KeyBank Business Online. And so this is really good. And there are no actually the thing is that when you will earn points every time you make a purchase with your KeyBank Business Rewards card. Like you can earn 10 points per dollar spent on gas, travel, restaurants, and telecommunications. And those 10 points in a cash equivalent basically amount to a cash equivalent of 2% of every dollar spent in those categories. You can also earn 5 points per dollar. That's 1% cash equivalent for all your other purchases. And you can redeem your points for statement credit, direct deposit, travel, gift cards, charity donations, and merchandise. So it's really, really simple and really straightforward. And so the thing here is that if you have the right relationship with KeyBank, you are able to actually do things a little faster. And the thing here is that you need to understand that in terms of privileges that the authorized users have on the KeyBank Business Rewards card, KeyBank is really clear about that. The primary account holder may choose to set up additional authorized users in KeyBank Business Online. So these users will also be able to view balances, make payments, make transfers, and more, depending on the access you allow. You as the banking director here. So one thing I want to say here is that you need to understand that only the guarantors may redeem points. So if you have a third party, if you have an employee, and an employee is not a guarantor, so an employee is not going to redeem points. Only you, the primary account holder. Let me talk to you about the third credit card. So here you have the KeyBank business card. So this is the third credit card, and so when you think about your strategy, if you are thinking about the KeyBank business credit card strategy, you you and you were thinking about the KeyBank business card. This card is actually an everyday card. This is what I started to say before, and then I said that for the card before you don't have any rewards. You do have rewards, but this card, now, nothing at all. I mean, you have basically you are able to manage and track expenses with ease, and it's a card that allows you at least, and this is an element of happiness here, that you are able to build your business credit. That's the only thing. Okay, so you're basically managing your cash flows and organizational expenses, and so in terms of intro APR, you have a 0% intro APR for the first 6 billing cycles on purchases and balance transfers made in the first 60 days. After that, the regular APR will apply, and you have a 15.99% to 25.99% variable rate based on credit worthiness. And in terms of annual fee, there's none, and the balance transfer fee goes from $10 or 4% of each transaction, whichever is greater. Okay, but overall, this is a card that is just fantastic. We love the card because again, KeyBank is a solid player when it comes to credit cards and when it comes to business credit cards. And what we love also is that we love the fact that the approval process is pretty straightforward. Now, one thing I want to say here is that KeyBank actually is known for being generous in their credit limits on business credit cards. So make sure that you solidify your application process by having all the elements that could actually get you approved real fast. So I'm speaking here about the business credit card. I mean, a business plan rather, a business plan. I'm speaking about like your financial statements. I'm thinking about maybe having business licenses and permits. So anything that shows that your business is legit, anything that shows that your business has a strong relationship with KeyBank, anything that shows that whatever you are going to use a credit card for, this is for operational purposes, then you are good to go. You are definitely good to go. And one thing I want to say here is that when we talk about the business, like the business credit card, the KeyBank business credit card, this is a simple credit card, but a card that gives you the ability to earn rewards if you actually play your cards right. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's topic. We're having a conversation about KeyBank business credit card strategy, and I'm giving you the best tips and tricks for you to know exactly what you're getting yourself into, so you can make the right decision at the right time. So when you think about this business credit card, it's very simple. It's a card that allows you to build business credit. It's a card that allows you to actually to manage your card without having rewards. There are no rewards, but that should not stop you really when you think about it. That should not stop you from actually using the card. And it's one of those things where you want to make sure that your spending patterns are aligned with what the card is offering. The card is not offering much in terms of rewards and perks, but the card is giving you flexibility. So basically, you want to take the opportunity to build. This is the kind of card that gives you the opportunity to build business credit if you actually use it well. And if you use it well, KeyBank might actually upgrade you, because this KeyBank business card is the lowest tier business credit card in KeyBank's catalog. So one thing you want to do here is you want to use the card properly, so that over time KeyBank will see your good use and actually promote you, like actually upgrade you. And the thing here is that if you want to also have employee cars, you want to have employee cars, not a problem. As long as you have fewer than 100 employees, you want to add on a car, that's fine. KeyBank will accommodate that. But really, out of those three, out of those three business credit cards, where the juice is really at is the first one. So this is where you have the cash rewards credit card. The cash rewards credit card is just a fantastic one. The second one is kind of cool too, like the business rewards cards. It's kind of cool as well. But the first one is really the everyday, like very uncomplicated card you can think about. So you can really focus on running your business. That's what you should do in the first place. Like you should be running your business and not just to walk around and just trying to get a business credit card from KeyBank or other players. Okay, and but overall, this is a great card. Just make sure that whatever limit that KeyBank gives you at the beginning, make sure that you pay your balances in full every month, because KeyBank is really strict when it comes to businesses that do not pay their bills on time. So let me talk to you about how to redeem your KeyBank business rewards, because there are two business credit cards that offer that. So you have the KeyBank, so you have the cash rewards, right? So you have the KeyBank business rewards card, and then you have the KeyBank business cash rewards card. So how do you actually redeem the card? So the whole thing here is that you can actually redeem your rewards in KeyBank business online. Not a problem. There's no problem at all. So it's very easy to redeem the rewards you earn every day with your KeyBank business cash rewards or KeyBank business rewards credit card. So you first need to sign on to KeyBank Business Online to redeem your rewards, and you can redeem your rewards for a couple of things. So for KeyBank Business Cash Rewards, your cashback never expires, and you are able to redeem the card for like a constellation of things. You choose what you want to redeem your cash for, but you can actually redeem your cash like for a statement credit or direct deposit or to an account you choose. This is for the cash rewards card. For the business rewards card, you can grow your rewards for up to 4 years and redeem them for gift cards, statement credits, travel, charity donation, and even events ticketing. So this is kind of cool. So we love that a lot. We love the flexibility here. And so overall, the thing is, don't forget that if you have any question, you can always call a KeyBank at 1-888-KEY for biz. So this is 1-888-539-4249. And you can actually just you can also schedule an appointment if you are trying to, let's say you're trying to get a business credit card and you really have no idea. Like if you have no idea about which card you want, it's just always better to talk to a KeyBank specialist. So they have a clear that like those specialists, they know way more about their own products and services than anybody else. So you are able to know exactly what happens. You're able to know what really works for you, and so you are able to change your strategy so that you can be approved real quick. And the bottom line here is that at the end of the day, no matter the credit card that you use, just make sure whether you're earning rewards or not, just make sure that you are able to repay whatever you charge on the card. In other words, that your financial, then your cash flows are healthy enough to be able to cover all the expenses that you are charging on the card or that your employees are charging on the card. Because the thing is that, hey, listen, even if you have the best relationship with KeyBank, but they realize that you're not paying your credit card bills on time, that relationship will really falter. So be very clear about that. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. Today's conversation, I was just talking to you about KeyBank business credit card strategy. So I give you the review, and here is a recap. So I spoke about the three business credit cards. So the KeyBank Business Cash Rewards Card, the KeyBank Business Rewards Card, and the KeyBank Business Card. Thank you. God bless you. I'll speak to you another time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.